Hello everyone, I am Liana with Music Academy International Inc. and this is really a different video that I'm gonna post it. So I'm on a little vacation here. Really strongly recommend you if you can make it with MSC Cruise Line, and they have a private island. It's called Coco Cay, and it's a paradise. It's a paradise. So just look at here around. It's absolutely great. You can see there in the background the ship is just, and better prices than that you definitely cannot find it, anyhow. So this is not a paid advertisement. And still actually thinking of you, I was thinking to do a little video. Why not? It's too beautiful to not talk a bit about music and piano. I remember I had a student that was practicing a lot and actually practicing wrong, and to the end, in a certain point in time, actually he kind of messed up. So the title for today is how to improve the technique. So how to grow up a technique. And I'm thinking here at a really good point that I'm gonna make today. It's about cooking. It's like you wanna cook or bake a cake, right? And you're gonna make it from the scratch. That is how you are trying to learn a piece of music, right? From the scratch, right here, left and right. So it does have a certain order in which you gotta put the ingredients and then mix them together. And even those ingredients, they are not putting randomly. So it's gotta have a recipe in which those ingredients and exactly the same quantity, the right quantity needs to put. Like if it's 2 eggs, they must be put 2 eggs and first needs to be wiped or whatever. I don't know how to make how to bake a cake. But still, probably it's the same thing if you would repair or you make a car. I'm thinking, if you know more about mechanics or so. It does have a certain order. It needs to have a certain amount of whatever it is, and you need to have different tools. So you cannot repair a car where you need the screwdriver with the hammer. And same here in baking a cake, right? You cannot use an ingredient, meaning a certain type of technique exercise, when you need another technique exercise, meaning if it's the cake to be baked at 400 degrees, you cannot bake it at 300 because it's not gonna work, and you cannot bake it at 500 degrees because it's not gonna work either. So now going back into the piano, so the stages of learning a song or learning technique, or let's say you have a piece. Even I'll go again to Turkish March, right? The middle section of the Turkish March that has a little bit more technique involved, more 16ths, and those 16ths therefore probably like a page or something, a minute and a half, or with the repeat sign. So you cannot use like rhythms before that page is known even. So first of all, you need to be relaxed. So you need to learn how to play relaxed. That's one. Second, how to ground yourself, and to really grasp the keys. Then use some kind of articulation, so be good and play evenness with even that little segment or whatever is into the technique. That's why if you don't have technique, I would not approach Turkish March. I would approach something like Sonatina or Diabelli, where you would have just one line of 16ths, not an entire page, to get used how to play fast for a longer period of time. And then if you want to speed up, because a lot they're saying, okay, I can play this and I want to speed up and I cannot speed up. Well, you can, because either you are too tense, either you don't have the right articulation, so, or you are not yet even it's the word, to play even and relaxed, right? And then when you're ready of this, the third ingredient of whatever ingredient, it should be the number, it should be to apply some rhythms, ta 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 tum ta ta tum tum ta 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 ta, and then then you can apply some other staccato, and then you can apply some other tools. So do not apply those rhythm section until you're not even, because it's gonna mess you up even worse than before. So that would be my advice, and this is the talk for today. When and how to apply those tools. It's like I have an entire garage full of tools in my arsenal, and I pick the right tool for the right technical strategy. Let's put a strategy, because it is a strategy, right? So you cannot apply it all the time. The same tool for octaves is another strategy, relaxation is another strategy, scales are another strategy, So this would be my talk for today, that even here I'm still connected with you guys. I'm happy that you are in my life. Look at this beautiful, absolutely gorgeous view. I'm gonna show you around here. Yes, Coco Cay with MSC Cruise Line. Oh my God, yes, I have a sarong around my head because I forgot my my cap, so look at this, beautiful, right? You like that? I love this. It's just a couple of days going out and in, so I wish you a great practice, and let me know in the comments if you need help with any kind of strategy or something, or any kind of I don't know, ideas how to practice. What are you practicing? What are you, what do you want to learn? And you have my email down below in the box, okay? Have a great one. Bye-bye.